very excited. Good.
Sit.
That's good.
Ah, you rustled
Good
the bag and
boy.
that's what he wanted to come. So don't nurture because you see he's clinging. Boom. When he sticks like glue to you,
Good boy.
he's nervous. See? All this is what do I do, what do I do? He doesn't know what to do. He has to figure it out what to do. So just ignore him.
From that little bit of snidey sidelines. It's the first time my friend came, this is what he used to do. Do you remember he used to do this when I took him to socialisation?
Yeah, this is like he's nervous. Because when he used to come to social class, he'd be like, oh, hide me.
I'm Bertie, free.
He never does this. Never.
Because I've addressed it, he's got to figure out now what it is we want. It's not that he can't come near, but he can't come near with his growly attitude. Who's that? Who's that?
Oh, decided on that one.
Yeah.
Up.
It.
Bert.
Out.
Bed.
On your bed. On your bed.
You notice when he looked at you, his pupil. Yeah. The nasty one's gone.
Gentle.
Gentle. Bertie, sit. Gentle. Good boy, gentle.
Good boy.
No. Hello. So he's getting you set, that's fine. So now we're just ignoring, see he's snuggling to you again, snuggling to you. So we ignore that. So just turn to the side, face that way, that's it, and then you're less intimidating. So if he sniffs you from this side, you can have a look. You're less intimidating when you're sideways. So using treats is fine as long as you use them at the right time. So if you reward like when he's hugging, or going in between your legs and that, and you reward that, you're rewarding the uncertain state of mind, which we don't want. We want a nice state of mind.
I don't know what it is.
Jesus. No. On your bed.
You see how quick.
Oh,
Do one step like to there.
Isn't it? Is everybody just looking?
No. Take that.
On your bed. On your bed.
Do one step towards. You see the uncertainty?
Yeah, you can see.
Yeah. Once I point it out, you can see the eyes are going, he's left and right, he's left and right. He's not sure, but he's not growling.